Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we're going to look at the sort array method. Excuse me. So basically the sort array method actually sorts the elements in an array, and by default the sort method sorts the values as either string or alphabet in ascending order. Okay, so by default it sorts in ascending order. And then basically we have on the page here we have an array of fruits, and I'll just show you how we can use the sort method. So basically I'm just going to come down here and say fruits.sort, and that's it. If I go ahead and console.log fruits, so let's just do fruits, and I save that and run it, you see now that apple becomes the first fruit, and that's because apple starts with A, and then banana B, and then the next alphabet in line is M, and then we have orange. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. Okay, so let's see how we can use this function on numbers. So I'm going to paste in this here, and I'm just going to go ahead and say numbers dot sort, and let's go ahead and console.log number, and let's run that. Let's see. Okay, so you see here, although the array of numbers starts with 4, the output here has arranged it in ascending order. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so that looks very straightforward and easy. Now there is an issue though. If we actually are sorting numbers, like let me just paste in another number here. So I have a variable here named points, and it has a group of numbers. So basically what I'm just going to do, just to show you first before I explain, is that I'll just do points.sort, and then I'll console.log it. So let's save that, and I'll just clear the terminal, and then I'll run this code, and let's see what we have here. So we have 1, and then we have 10 and 100 and 25. This is definitely not what we want. We want this to be sorted in ascending order. But the problem is that in 100, for example, the first number we have is 1, and same for this. So it's actually just picking the first number, and then it's, arranging it in that order. So definitely we're going to have issues when we're dealing with these kinds of scenarios. Okay, and this is what we then this is a situation where we then use a compare function, okay, to solve this problem. Okay, and a compare function basically is a function that defines an alternative sort order. Okay, so let me show you how this works. So I'm going to come down here. Where is my point? So this is my point. I'll just bring this down a little, and then I'll say point.sort, and I'll come down here and create a function. Okay, now let me state that I can easily just put the function inside here, okay, as an arrow function, but I just want you to see what is going on. So I'm going to say compare function, and basically this compare function is going to take A and B. Okay, those are the two parameters I want it to take. And then what I want it to do is I want it to return. So if I want it to go in ascending order, I'm just going to say A minus B, right? So let me just duplicate this downwards, and I'll add a comment here. Okay, just after this, and I'll add a comment here. That's not what I want, so I would add the comment outside here and say ascending order. Okay, so I would copy this and I would repeat that here, and I'll say descending order. Okay, so but I'm also going to comment this one also. Okay, So basically, for the first one we have return a minus b, and it's going to sort the array in the ascending order. Okay, so I'll then come here and pass the compare function. So I'll copy this and then I'll pass it inside of this points.sort. I'll just do that and then I'll save. And we've already console.log points here, so let me run it one more time and let's see what happens. Okay, so you see here we have 1, 5, 10, and then essentially it has solved the problem we had here. All right, so let me go ahead and comment this one out, and I would uncomment this 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I'll save. And what do you think would happen if we run this? Okay, so we're going to have it in descending order, so I'll run that, and as you can there is something wrong. Oh, this should be b minus a. Forgive me, I didn't see that. So b minus a, and I'll save, and I'm just going to run that one more time and let's see. So you see here we have 100 as the first, and then down up to 1. Okay, so basically that's how we use the sort function. We can actually use it with a compare function. Like I said earlier, you can actually stuff this inside of the inside here. Okay, so let me just show you how that works. So basically, I'm sure you probably already know, so I'll just say so here I'll just say a and b, and then I'll come out and I'll say, let's just go with a minus b, so the ascending order state. Okay, so as simple as this. So instead of writing all of this, we can simply just write it like this. So I'll comment all of this out and I will save. Okay, so let me just clear the array, the console, and then let's log it one more time. Okay, I definitely made a mistake. I made a mistake that I cannot see. So let me just see unexpected end of input at 16. Well, I don't think there is any issue here with my syntax or with anything. I think it's just my extension. One of my extension is causing some problems. So maybe I'll just save it one more time. I'll clear the terminal and I'll run this. Okay, so I thought as much. So you see here that we have this in ascending order. That's because we did a minus b here, and so instead of having this code, we can just do this and have a shorter code. Okay, so if we do b minus a, just so you can see, and we run the code, you see we then have it 140 and in descending order. Okay, so basically that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, I want to encourage you to subscribe and to leave a like on this video. All right, see you later.